So this is how you access the online materials through the library. This is a good place to get academic sources. So if you want to find academic articles or other credible resources rather than just using Google, this is probably your best strategy, especially because the school pays for it. It's free for you. You can access it at school and at home, but this is how you get to it. If you go to the Bingham School homepage, binghamminers.org, and then you're going to want to scroll down here to the Media Center and click on that button. It's going to take you here. You're looking for online resources, so click that. And then there's a lot of cool resources here. EasyBib, that's that one that makes MLA citations for you. Citation help if you want to create your own citations. We'll talk about that in another video, but those are useful resources as well. You want to go to Utah's Online Library. And this is where you're going to find this research reference database. The two databases that I would recommend using are EBSCO for high schools and Gale Reference Collection. So I'm going to look at Gale first, just because for this assignment for your biography, there is a biography in context. And if you click on it, it will go through just biographies. So if you want to look like Ho Chi Minh, here's all these cool things about him. Here's a lot of different articles about him. It's a huge database with tons of articles, academic journals, images, everything that you can think of on here. And it's very organized and quick. The other website that I wanted to show you was, well, let's close out all these. There's so many of them. Is going to be EBSCO high schools. There's also a biography one in here as well, Biography Reference Center. So that one's going to be really good. Also, the History Reference Center might be a good one. So if I clicked on that and typed in Ho Chi Minh, we'll see what it comes up with. I don't know, maybe that's not the greatest one. But you can search through. Some of your dictators are going to have more information in some places. I really like the biography and context from Gale, but you're more than likely, or more than willing, what? Can't even talk. More than welcome to use all of these. See, this is a little bit less organized, but there's lots of things in here as well. The other one I wanted to show you is, it's not one of the databases, but it is another academic source. It's called Google Scholar. I don't even know if you knew this existed, but Google Scholar, you can do Ho Chi Minh. There's going to be, let's see, I think you can do a advanced search somewhere, but maybe type biography that and see what that does. Yeah, so then there's some information here as well, and these are all, this is a book, citation book. There's some articles, a lot of them are not free, so you'll have to look through that, but this is another place that most of the articles have been peer reviewed and are scholarly and acceptable to be used in a school assignment. Okay.